someone wants to represent the Liquid
Let's go.
Cross
All right, now for second place, class.
37,734. Napaka-init ang pangalan. It's too hot to handle.
Too hot to handle. We're all
Yo!
Hello.
Grabe naman, sir!
All right, so again, 37,000. Wait, 37,734.
Anong character class? Anong character class?
Crusader.
Crusader class at 37,000.
Congratulations once again. And for our first placer, we have at 37,773. Just 30 points ahead. We have Baby RDK.
Ano yun? Sino yun?
Let's go!
Ay, grabe siya! We have a female gamer.
Female gamers here. Okay, we like the representation.
Representation.
Yes,
Sige
girl
tayo.
power, guys.
Anong character name?
Ay, sa laro yun na ano yan, sa laro na
Tempest
games na ano, parang Mobile Legends. Yun ang isa. Sa laro yan.
This is your prize. Ayaw na yun, guys. Ayaw na yun, guys. But we need to have to go off with all of them holding on to their prizes. Dito tayo.
Yung mga pride, ano pala yan.
You have the, no, we'll be giving it.
Alright, so your Razor prizes will be mailed to you. So they have their legendary effect